Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you the simple steps to adjust temperature sensors with our highly dynamic temperature control systems, PRESTO. This feature is called ATC function, which stands for Absolute Temperature Calibration. For several reasons, there might be a slight temperature difference between the actually real and the measured temperature. To compensate for this difference, you can use the ATC function. Let's see together how that works. The PRESTO is heated to 40 degrees Celsius and we have an external application. Now we need a reference temperature gauge to check the defined point inside the reactor. For an accurate reference, please wait until the set point is reached and stabilized. The reference temperature gauge now shows us a temperature of 40.02 degrees Celsius. So we need to compensate the difference of 0.02 degrees Celsius. In the submenu Install Unit, you will find the section Adjust Sensors. Remember that this is a closed-loop temperature control system, therefore only the calibration of the external sensor makes sense. With Edit and Edit Points, you get the option to adjust your temperature sensor directly, or you can use our step-by-step guide with Perform Adjustment. We already know our temperature difference and choose Edit Points. Up to 3 points are possible. All adjustment points will be displayed at the submenu Adjust Sensors, where you can change the status to Active. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.